I'm Beth Hoban. This is my husband, John. I'm from Rochester, New York, and I chose to have my surgery at Albany Med. I was having chest pain, back pain between my shoulder blades, and I went in for an ultrasound and they discovered a gallstone. I was very nervous about having surgery, and I did see a surgeon in Rochester. I did not come out feeling comfortable, and I called my sister. My sister Rana works as an OR nurse at Albany Med. She always raves about the surgeons that she works with, and particularly Dr. Nigam. And I made an appointment to see him. I'm also an RN, and I know everything that can go wrong. But when I talked to Dr. Nigam about all of that, he just gave me the confidence that I felt like I knew that he would not let anything go wrong. And I left there feeling very confident and comfortable that all would go well. I came to Albany Med, I did my pre-op work, and then I came back for surgery. I went in first thing in the morning. Everything went smooth from check-in to pre-op. Everybody was very friendly. Everybody made me feel comfortable, and then they wheeled me away into the OR.
The one thing that really struck me was how the waiting room was laid out with the information boards, the specific assignments to almost like a concierge service, where each individual, we had a point person, and she knew my name, I knew her name, so if there was any questions, if things were going along, then you know, even when I walked up, then she saw me, she goes, all right, she's at this stage right now. I've worked for several information technology companies that have provided different surgical solutions for OR, the workflow, information services that then provide those type of information boards. The atmosphere was relaxed, and I've seen many OR waiting rooms throughout the U.S., and this was exceptional.
After I had my gallbladder out, all my symptoms went away. I didn't have the pain in my chest, I didn't have the back pain anymore. I have reintroduced foods, and I have not had any complications. We just came back from a trip to the beach where we're big shellers, and we met with my daughter who works overseas, so I haven't seen her in a year. And she also took up her mother's shell collection, and we're thinking about how to make that into a business right now. Yes, it was worth the drive, and a lot of people looked at me and like, are you crazy driving all that way for surgery? I had a wonderful experience here from the moment I stepped in the door to the moment I left the door, post-op, follow-up phone calls. I just can't sing the praises enough of Albany Med's surgery center. It was a well-oiled machine, and I really appreciated how they ran it.